In this video, I will show you how to set up 2FA on Coinbase. So to set up two-factor authentication, you will first need to have an app that can do that. Now the most common one and the one that I use is Google Authenticator. So you can just go and install it on your phone for free. And after you have one of those apps installed, just open up Coinbase. And once you're in Coinbase, you want to click on the 9 dots in the top left. And from here, click on Profile and Settings. Now here, scroll down a bit until you see something that says change security settings. So it's all the way down at the bottom right here. So go and click on that. And then from here, it will take you to your security settings. And here under 2FA settings, you will see the 2FA methods. So I have Authenticator app already enabled. And if you don't have it yet, just go ahead and enable it. And then you will get a setup key. And what you want to go and do is just copy that key, then open up your Authenticator app. So again, I use Google Authenticator and click on plus in the bottom right of the app. And then from there, click enter setup key. Then just enter the key that you get from Coinbase. And then you will need to verify that it is successfully connected by entering the code you have in your Authenticator app in the Coinbase app. But it will just take you through it step by step. So that's how you can set up 2FA on Coinbase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.